2. Is your iPhone getting hot enough to cook an egg on it? Well, maybe not that hot, but let's fix it in under 2 minutes. First, take off the case. Some cases trap heat, so letting your phone breathe can make a huge difference. Next, let's close those background apps. Just swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away all the apps you are using. They're just draining your battery and generating heat. Third, lower your screen brightness. Pull down your control center and dim it a bit. A super bright screen is a major heat source. Fourth, let's stop apps from refreshing in the background. Go to Settings, then General, and find Background App Refresh. Turn it off for apps that don't need to be constantly updating. Finally, make sure your iOS is up to date. Head to Settings, General, and then Software Update. Apple often releases fixes for overheating bugs. These simple steps should cool down your iPhone in no time. For more quick tech solutions, subscribe to Simple Tech Fix.